What is FCU? Fan coil unit. Again, an important element in central HVAC system. Let us look at in this video. Welcome my friends to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is going to be on HVAC and we are going to look at this important element called fan coil unit, FCUs, which is used in central HVAC system. We have seen the AC systems in which we have seen the center plant systems. We have seen both air cooled, water cooled chillers, and the next equipment we have seen in HU, and this is the smallest version of HU, that is called FCU. These are the FCUs, the real pictures, and this is the working of FCU which we are going to look at. So FCUs has got three major elements. One is filter, second is fan, third is coil. Remember, you have seen earlier picture of HU, that was a draw through arrangement. In fan coil units, generally, again I am saying generally, it's a blow through. So the air passes over the coil which fan delivers. In HU, generally most of them are draw through. They draw the cold air over the coil and deliver it. So this is the arrangement. Then we have a drain pan, obviously because there is condensation. These FCUs are connected with a smaller length of ducts because the static is generally less. If there are high static FCUs, then you can have longer length of ducts, but that needs to be properly calculated. These supply the conditioned air into the area. That air gets mixed, picks up the heat. It comes back from this grill that is called return air grill. These FCUs are generally placed inside the fall seal. You can see a ceiling level here, and the cycles works like this, from filter to fan to coil, supplier duct, and this is how you can see in this photo. The coil is in front of it, the blower motor, and there will be a filter over here, and this is a drain pan which basically takes out the condensate from the coil. This is how the real picture. This is the FCU. These are the chilled water piping connections. This is a drain connection, and this is how they are generally installed. In any hotel or hospitals where the rooms needs to be cooled, which are of smaller size, FCU is the best unit which can be used and is generally used in most of the hospital and hotel jobs. This is how one of the typical hotel room. You can find a return air grill over here. This is a supplier grill, and inside this is the FCU. These are the key slots. Generally they are connected, power is connected through this key slot, and these are some of the displays or controllers which can give you controlling things of temperature in that controller. So you can control or set the temperature, and that signal can go to the FCU. Based on that, chilled water modulation can happen. So this is how the FCUs are installed. This is how a cut you can see. This is the grill, the return grill, and this is the FCU. Hope you got an idea about FCU. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Please subscribe my channel and spread it to your friends and groups. Thank you very much.